All right, everybody, this is the HTML2 challenge from Hack the Web. Let's read the challenge description. So some people on Earth have used the power of technology to exploit their fellow human beings. I imagine it's terrible when your life is suddenly so controlled by this technology. An example? Someone could take away something you previously took for granted. In this task, the answer is again found in the source code right here. Right here. But I'm taking away the button from the last task to let you open the source code. See? This is what control could look like. Fight back. You don't need my silly button to see the source code. So we're talking about looking at the source code for web pages. Well, commonly this is called the language that is used to create the web pages is called HTML. And let's talk a little bit more about this. Okay, so this is the Hack the Web Challenge, HTML2. So in this challenge, we're told to access the source code of the web page manually to get the answer to the challenge. So what we're talking about is source code inspection, and there's several ways to access a web page's source code. The easiest way would be to right-click on the web page and then select View Page Source. So if we go over to the web page, we can right-click on it, and we can select this option over here, View Page Source, to see the source code of the web page. So another concept we need to understand here is that what we see on the web pages is not necessarily what is sent to your web browser. Your web browser is sent some code, and the web browser turns the code into the web page that you see. You can also access the source code by using a keyboard shortcut. For many web browsers, the keyboard shortcut to see the source code is going to be Control+U, and we can do that over here. So Control-U on your keyboard will also let you see the source code. So one important thing that we want to point out in this challenge is that the web pages that we see in the web browser are created using code. So when we access the source code is what the web browser actually gets from the web server, and it turns it into the web page that we see. Okay, so if we go into the source code here and then scroll down, we can see that inside the source code, in between the code that someone could take away something that you previously took for granted, which we saw on the web page. But what we see here is something inside of a HTML comment, and comments are parts of the web page that we can see in the source code but don't actually appear on the web page. And we can see here that the answer is revolution. So we can copy this. Whoops. We can copy this. Then we can go back to the web page and we can submit this as the answer. Click on Go, and then we're finished. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the HTML2 challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.